In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change display language in Windows 11. By the end, your menus, settings, and most built-in dialogues will appear in the language you prefer, which can make your PC feel more comfortable and easier to navigate. Before we start, make sure you're connected to the internet since Windows needs to download the language pack and save any open work just in case you need to sign out. First, open Settings. The quickest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I together. If you prefer using the mouse, click the Start button, then select the gear icon for Settings. Both options take you to the same place. Next, look at the left sidebar and choose Time and Language. In the main panel, click Language and Region. This is where Windows manages the languages used across your device and the order they're applied. Under Preferred Languages, click the Add a Language button. A search window will appear. Type the language you want, and pay attention to any regional variants that pop up. For example, some languages offer multiple dialects or country-specific versions, so pick the one that best matches your needs. Select it and click Next. On the next screen, you'll see optional features for that language. Make sure the option labeled Language Pack is checked. That's the piece that changes the Windows interface. You might also see features for handwriting, speech recognition, or text-to-speech. Those are optional and can be added later if you need them. To switch your system language right away, check the box that says Set as my Windows display language, then click Install. Windows will download and install the components. The time this takes depends on your connection speed. Once installation finishes, Windows may prompt you to sign out to apply the change. Save any work, then confirm the sign out. If you don't see a prompt, go ahead and sign out or restart your computer manually. This step is important. Most interface elements won't switch languages until you do. After you sign back in, you should see Windows 11 in your new language. If an app still shows the old language, try closing and reopening it. Some store apps update their language the next time they launch. If you added a new keyboard layout along with the language, you can switch input methods on the fly using the Windows key plus the spacebar. That's it. You've successfully changed your Windows 11 display language. If you ever need to adjust it again, return to the Language and Region page and repeat these steps with a different language. Thanks for watching and enjoy your personalized Windows experience.